everyone, so I am here to do the next look in this Nautical Nonsense palette. So I did the RSVP again because I'm going to use these two colors right here. So of course I'm going to go in with the lighter color first right here. I'm gonna go in with this darker color right here. I had to cut all my nails down. My pointer finger broke, so just cut them all down. Kind of looks like a light champagne and dark champagne color, or light and dark frosty beige. I'm going to use this color right here, but as a transition color, because I'm going to use the brown again, just a little bit. So I'm just going to tap this color right here and just go into the inner. And then go into this the highlight color right there. I'm using the brush that I used the transition color with. Go over. I'm gonna go over the champagne color. Or I guess I should say the champagne colors. Then I'm gonna dip my finger in this gold glitter. And I think I'm just gonna put it right in the middle. And then just do regular black liner mascara, finish my makeup, and I'll be right back. Hey everyone, so this is the finished look. I used my NYX espresso, but it was too dark for me, so I really had to blend that out and put the face powder on. And then for my lips I did burnt red from Milani, and so that's what I did with that. Just wanted to let you know that today's the 23rd, because tomorrow's my anniversary, and usually on July 1st Wet n Wild releases some new collection through Ulta. So just to for you to be on the lookout, because if you remember last year, everybody was trying to get My Melody and Kuromi collection, and Ulta sold out quickly, and then Wet n Wild did it late in the month of July, and people didn't see that till about 5 weeks later. So and I think the same thing happened with the Pac-Man. I found it on Ulta, and it took 3 weeks before Wet n Wild released it on their website. So just a heads up. I mean, it might not happen because they just did the SpongeBob, so I don't know. Like I said, with COVID, everything's just out of whack, so I don't know what's gonna happen with that. But just a heads up. And surprisingly, I for Father's Day, which I forgot, just adding more stuff for me to do. Um, I went down. We went down to the beach again. We went to Moody Gardens. They had a new music display, so that's my husband's thing, and he needed to get something at Walmart down there, and they put out another Fantasy Makers display. I thought we were over with that, but they put out another side panel display, but only with the new sponges that you couldn't get before, the orange, the pink, the coral one, and all the brushes, the tissues, the blotting tissues. So everything that was not put on the original display was put on a side panel display. So I found that interesting. I know I saw, I think for Mother's Day, I had seen that the Walmart's going out towards Sugarland. They had, well, one of them had all that stuff, but they put it into the big display. So, you know, and then when I checked online, I think they said that my Walmart had it too. I didn't see nothing. They took down that other display. They probably put it on clearance already. So, but that I found that weird. Still, messed up that I never found the orange highlighter. But it's just out there. That was weird. So yeah. So last week oh my goodness, my butt and my back were in pain. But I did all the files. The only thing I have left to go through is some bills that I'm not sure where they came from. But that made me so happy. I worked on that all this week. Well, last week, and then this week I worked on other things I need to be taken care of. I need to clean my vanity, and the next week is going to be forget it. I'm doing my sheets this week, and the next week is the fridge, the kitchen, the bathroom, just everything else before my daughter comes on Thursday. So because of that, most likely I won't put out a video next week. My daughter comes on Thursday, so maybe next Friday I might be able to do a video because she's probably going to want to rest. I know we have the 4th of July weekend after that. I'm really not sure what to do. My brother is moving, so I don't think he's going to have any time to do anything. So I'm not really sure what to do for that. But so next week I will try to do my video on Friday, but if you don't see me, it's because of my daughter arrived, and I'm just cleaning. Like I said, this week, like right now after this, I got to go to the bank, and then tomorrow I got to wash all my sheets. That is an all-day affair because I have 2 quilts to support my back and my neck, and the 20 pillows that I have. It's usually a huge chore. It's an all-day thing. And then, you have to take everything off, and then you got to make the bed again and put everything back on. So, yeah, and then Friday I have to take my son back to the insurance place and medical insurance place. Fortunately, I thought he was covered by this other place, but I guess with COVID, everything's messed up, so they're not covering a lot of things. So he's gonna try to get a different insurance. So yeah, just busy. So anyway, just wanted to let you know that, and just be on the lookout because July usually Wet n Wild releases something, and it's always a pain in the neck if you don't get it from Ulta in time. You're not gonna be able to see it from Wet n Wild for 3 weeks, and then then it takes another 2 weeks to ship. And there is something imported from Japan, you're not gonna see it for 5 weeks. So just a heads up for that, and then at the end of August we'll start seeing the Halloween Fantasy Makers. So anyway, guys, take care. Love you. Mwah. Bye.